Now, if you want to share your video using Screencast, you can use the direct integration. In this case, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the share area, and you're then going to click on screencast.com. You'll already have your account integrated, and if you haven't, you'll need to click this gear in order to set it up. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to go through the capture process. Then what we're going to do is we're going to choose the window. We're going to click inside of that window. Then the process is going to initialize. What we're then going to do is we're going to click the record button. And then once we click the record button, then the recording will begin. We'll then be recording our screen. What we will then do is we will then click the finish recording button. That will process the video. And then that video will then be uploaded to Snagit. Now, because we have the editor open, what we need to do to finish the process is we need to click this green button. That's going to go through the Snagit process. And then we're going to have our screencast.com link. We can either get the link from here, or what we can do is we can then open up a notepad file, and then we can then paste our link. Our screencast link will then be there in order for us to share our video. Now, this can be especially useful if you are attempting to diagnose a technical problem, either as an individual in need of support or as an individual providing support. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.